professional, calm, psychologically deep, you keep scrolling, you keep checking, but the emptiness doesn't go away. This feeling has a name: dopamine desensitization. Your reward system is exhausted. Dopamine isn't just the pleasure molecule, it's the want more signal. Every notification, every short video, every swipe overstimulates the mesolimbic pathway. The result? Ordinary life, a book, a walk, a real conversation, no longer feels rewarding. In neuroscience, this is called receptor downregulation. Your brain literally turns down the volume on joy. The good news? The brain remains plastic. Sensitivity can be restored, and it starts with one deliberate day of low stimulation. A 24-hour dopamine detox isn't a productivity hack. It's a neural reset. Rules for the next 24 hours: no screens, social media, YouTube, Netflix, games, no ultra-processed food or added sugar, no background music or podcasts, phone in another room, only for real emergencies, allowed silent walks, physical books, journaling, cleaning, cooking, manual tasks, early sleep. The first 4 to 6 hours are uncomfortable. Your reward circuitry screams for stimulation, but around hour 8 to 10 something shifts. The prefrontal cortex regains control, anxiety softens, senses sharpen, and intrinsic motivation quietly returns. Psychologically, this is the reversal of ego depletion. Your willpower muscle recharges. It's also a gentle form of boredom exposure therapy, teaching your mind to exist without constant input. When the 24 hours end, don't fall back into the old loop. Instead, low dopamine mornings, first 90 minutes screen free. Do the hard thing first, reward second. Schedule one full detox day every month. 24 hours of intentional quiet won't fix years of habits overnight, but it will prove one thing: your brain can still heal. It can still be yours again. If you're starting this weekend, leave a single word in the comments: starting.